Hey everyone, this is Ed from Tech Talk. In today's video, I'm going to show you how easy it is to create an animated pumpkin like this one using Adobe After Effects. Now, this one's a little bit blown up. I blew it up a little bit so you could see it a little bit closer. So let me show you really quick how easy this is. I just watch so many people make these videos and they just make it so hard. Um, so go ahead and just click open up After Effects, obviously. Click new composition here, or you can come up here and click new composition and then name it what you want. You can set the frame rate to whatever you want and then set the duration to whatever you want. I got it for 10 seconds. I'm going to click OK. Now I'm just going to click right here and then I'm going to just drag my little pumpkin right down here into the composition. And as you can see, my pumpkin is a wee bit too big. So all you need to do if this happens to you, right click in here, go to transform. You can try fit to composition. You'll see that the fit to composition sometimes will squish your pumpkin. So sometimes what I like to do is just come down here and go to transform and go to fit to comp with. So anyways, once you're done doing that, you're going to click right on the pumpkin, do Control D, and then that'll duplicate it. Right click on the duplicate, rename that to mask. You can actually name it to anything you want. I just want to name it something else. Now make sure you selected the mask, the new one that you just made. Now come up here, right here to this pen tool, click on it. And now you're just going to draw around each one of the eyes, just like this, and the mouth. And try to stay, right to the edge right here as close as you can. We're going to feather it, so don't worry about going over. And then once you're done, um, we're going to go ahead and animate this thing. And this is what takes the longest, to be honest with you. This is if you're really quick at it, then you're going to be done really fast. But this is really simple to do. And you're just clicking, going ahead, clicking, go ahead a little bit, click, 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 and that's it. I know it sounds like a broken record. It doesn't have to be perfect. If you don't like it, you can go back in and change it. And I'm almost done here. And once I'm done with this, literally this is the longest part. And I'm going to click right over here, and then I'm going to click right here, and you'll see it locks up. And now we need to go, this is a crucial part. Now we need to go in here and we need to modify the mask a little bit just so that we feather it a little bit. And what feathering is going to do is going to bring it inside here a little bit more so the flicker stays here and doesn't go way out here. So, and it's easy. So just click on each mask arrow individually, come down to feather and then hover over it until it glows or it turns white like that. Left click on the mouse and go to the right until you get to about 170, 200. Doesn't matter. Pick a number and do the same on each one or approximately the same. Doesn't matter. Should be similar though. So I'm going to go to mask 2. I'm going to do the same exact thing. I'm going to scroll to the left, about 174. That's good. Now I'm going to click on this arrow, do the same thing here. And we're just about done. I mean, this is probably the second worst thing. And we're just going up to 170 or so. And that's it. So now we can just minimize all this. So now what we need to do is we need to change this from normal to screen. Now, if you don't see the screen here, come down here to the left corner where you see the circle, the expand or collapse, click on it, and you'll see that it'll show up. And then all we're going to do is we're going to come over here to effects and presets. If you do not see effects and presets, then you're going to go up here to Windows and then select effects and presets from there. And all you're going to look for is opacity flash random. And then you're going to left click and you're going to drag that over here onto the mask and let go. And you pretty much have animated your pumpkin already. Now, how much or how less you want to do it is up to you. Select your mask, come up here, hit flash nervousness. Now we can crank this up a little bit if you want, and now click on it. And then you can see where it's flashing a little bit more. And you can come up here to flash chance, and you can change that to be more, or you can do less. That's up to you. So just mess around with it, and that's pretty much it. Once you're done, come on up here to composition, go to add to render queue, and I'm sure you probably already know that it takes a second for it to load up to the rendering queue. And then just, click here, name your composition, whatever you want, and then where you're going to save it, hit save, and then hit render, and that's it, my friends. Once it's done, you're going to have another beautiful pumpkin. So here's my new pumpkin, I believe. And as you can see, it's flashing. I mean, I didn't spend too much time doing it, but you can fine tune it if you want. But that's it. All right. Hey, if this helps you, please consider hitting like and subscribe. All right. Thanks for watching. All right. Bye.